Meet the hawk, a master of the skies. With sharp vision and swiftness, these birds command respect in nature's hierarchy. Hawks are part of the raptor family. They're known for their ruthless hunting skills, using their sharp talons to catch prey. They primarily feed on small mammals, birds, and reptiles. Hawks have a broad diet, showing their adaptability to various environments. Did you know hawks can spot a mouse from a mile away? Their exceptional eyesight is 8 times stronger than a human's. From the massive ferruginous hawk to the smaller sharp-shinned hawk, hawks play a crucial role in keeping ecosystems balanced by controlling the population of prey animals. Intriguing and majestic, the hawk is a symbol of strength and focus. They soar the skies,